This is the first of 100 wells we're gonna build in this video. Oh, water! Oh, crap!
You just witnessed a
This is a national emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. 14 p.m., authorities detected a cyber threat involving the virtual reality game Gorilla Tag. A hacker known as Scream has created a program that sends deadly electrical shockwaves through connected devices. Targets players in active game servers, causing immediate and life-threatening injuries. All players currently engaged in Gorilla Tag must log off immediately and power down their devices. To ensure public safety, please follow these instructions. Immediately exit Gorilla Tag and shut down your VR device. Disconnect the device from all power sources. Avoid joining any Gorilla Tag server until further notice. Authorities are working to neutralize this threat. Updates will be provided as more information becomes available. Do not attempt to re-enter the game. Doing so may place your life in immediate danger. This message will repeat. Stand by for further updates.